Alright, today we're gonna be doing the subframe and the sway bar. I'm gonna try to do the subframe first while the car's still down. See how I'm gonna do it. Alright, so we took off the wheels and we preloaded it a little bit. We still have the jack and then we have the wheels under for safety. So now we're gonna take off one of the lower control arm bolts first. Alright, so for this one it's gonna be a 14 right here. There's the coilover bolt for the lower control arm, and then you have to take off this one right here, this middle one, next to the two sway bar bolts. Alright, so I took off this bolt right here, this long bolt. Now I'm gonna do it on the other side, and then after that, I think I'm gonna have to take off the sway bar. Now we're taking off these two bolts. These are two 12s. We already loosened those, and loosening these two 12s, and then after that we're gonna go to the back and do the end links. Alright, so we just took off these two, so it's a little loose now. It's loose, and now all we need to do is disconnect the end links from both sides. Alright, now we loosen the end links back here, this one right here. And then the sway bar should be loose, so I'm gonna loosen these two, and then we should be able to take out the sway bar now. Alright, so we took it out. This is how it was from the car. We just dragged it under like this, so this is how it goes. Now that these are out, you have to take out the end links and put them to these right here. So it's gonna go like this. I think it's gonna go like this. So you take off this bolt for the end links and you put it onto these right here. I don't have a new bushing, so I'm just gonna use these. Put this over here, and then I already have those brackets, so it's pretty much just swapping the end links to the new one. Alright, so the way we did this one, we put a 15 right here to this side to hold it, and then we use the 12 to take it out like this. So just like step down on this with the sway bar so it won't move, and then you just take it out with the 12 over here. And then since we're gonna use the old bushing, we're just gonna use the screwdriver to push it inside, push out the bushing like that. And then we're gonna put it onto the new one, the eibach one. And these end links, they do have a welded nut, which is this one right here. And this goes towards the outside of the car, not towards the inside. So go like this, not like this. Go inside like this. Alright, so I'm taking out the driver's side end link, which is that side, and the welded nut is facing inside. So both of the sides will face like this. So go like this, and then the same like that. So for the driver's side, the welded nut goes inside, and then the passenger side, the welded nut goes outside. Alright, so this is how it looks after it's on. We ended up not putting the, what is it called, the subframe brace, because it didn't fit. It was a little too short. But we just put the sway bar. So I had a little bit of troubles, but we made it.